व्यूअर्स, हम आपको फ्यूचरा इनोवेटा के यूट्यूब चैनल में खुशामदीद कहते हैं। हमारा आज का मौजू है
हम किस तरह आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यानी मस्नूई ज़हानत को अपने कारोबार में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं।
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के मैदान में जितना काम अब हो रहा है या आने वाले सालों में मुतवक्के है, जो लोग आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के साथ ताल्लुक़ नहीं रखेंगे, इसके बारे में मज़ीद पढ़ेंगे और सीखेंगे नहीं, वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता सिस्टम से पीछे रहते जाएंगे। लिहाजा ज़रूरत इस अमर की है कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की अहमियत को समझा जाए कि हेल्थ साइंसेस में, बिजनेस साइंसेस में, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट में, लीडरशिप में, प्रोडक्टिविटी में, क्वालिटी एनहांसमेंट में, टेक्नोलॉजी में, अलगर्ज जहाँ भी आप देखें आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की अहमियत बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ती जा रही है और हमें इस मौके का भरपूर फ़ायदा उठाते हुए इसके बारे में मज़ीद सीखने की ज़रूरत है। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस लर्निंग का प्लेटफॉर्म आप सब मेंबर्स को एक फ्री लर्निंग और तालीमी प्लेटफॉर्म मुहैया कर रहा है। आप ज़रूर इससे फ़ायदा उठाइए। हाउ टू इनकॉर्पोरेट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इनटू बिजनेस के नाम से ये वीडियो सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी है और इसमें बहुत से फैक्टर्स को इंतहाई तलखीस के साथ बयान किया गया है। आप शुरू से आखिर तक इस तमाम वीडियो को देखें, इससे खुद भी फ़ायदा उठाएं और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना ना भूलिएगा ताकि आने वाली तमाम वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन बर वक्त आपको मिलती रहे।
इसके साथ अब हम अपने मौजू पर चलते हैं।
हम किस तरह आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यानी मस्नूई ज़हानत को अपने कारोबार में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं।
How to incorporate artificial intelligence into your business.
Before going into details, we will discuss the artificial intelligence in business under the following heads.
Understanding artificial intelligence and its potential, assessing your business needs, choosing the right AI model, preparing your team for artificial intelligence, monitoring AI implementation, conclusion.
Understanding AI and its potential.
AI definition.
Ability to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence.
AI development speed. Current state.
Rapid advancements. Integration into various industries. Growing demand for AI talent.
Factors driving development speed.
Increased computing power. Big data availability. Advances in algorithms and machine learning techniques. Investment in AI research and development.
Impacts of development speed.
Economic growth. Job displacement. Ethical and privacy concerns.
Future trends.
Continued advancements in AI, ethical guidelines and regulations, AI collaboration with humans, narrowing of the AI talent gap.
Recommendations.
Invest in AI education and training. Develop ethical AI frameworks. Foster collaboration between AI and human workforce. Address job displacement through reskilling and upskilling opportunities.
Natural language processing, NLP, and large language models, LLMs.
What specific areas of natural language processing, NLP, are you interested in exploring? Are you looking to understand the basics of NLP or do you have a specific project in mind? What kind of language models are you currently familiar with, and what do you hope to learn more about? How do you envision using large language models in your work or research? Have you encountered any challenges or limitations when working with NLP or LLMs? What potential applications do you see for NLP and LLMs in your field or industry? Are there specific language tasks or problems that you are hoping to address with NLP or LLMs? How do you see the use of NLP and LLMs evolving in the future?
NLP.
Understanding and manipulating human language. Used in chatbots, sentiment analysis, translation, and more.
Applications.
Chatbots. Sentiment analysis. Language translation. Speech recognition. text summarization, named entity recognition, large language models, LLMs,
Advanced NLP models using deep learning techniques generate human-like text based on input. Examples: GPT-3, BERT, T5.
advantages, improved natural language understanding, better performance on NLP tasks, generating human-like text, enhancing semantic understanding, improving language translation.
Challenges: biases in training data, model size and computational resources. Ethical considerations in generated content, safety and misuse concerns, potential applications.
Healthcare, diagnosing diseases, personalized treatment plans. Business, predictive analytics, customer service automation, education, personalized learning experiences, automated grading, transportation, autonomous vehicles, traffic management.
Potential benefits: increased efficiency, cost savings, improved accuracy.
Ethical considerations, job displacement, privacy concerns, bias in decision making.
Future developments: enhanced AI capabilities, integration with other technologies, ethical AI framework.
Assessing your business needs.
Analyzing current processes,
Setting clear objectives,
ethical use of AI tools,
choosing the right AI solutions off the shelf versus custom.
off-the-shelf AI tools. Pros, cons.
Custom AI solutions. Pros, cons.
Evaluating AI vendors and engineers, choosing an off-the-shelf tool, working with an engineer,
Preparing your team for AI integration.
understanding the basics of AI, AI terminology and concepts, impact of AI on industries, importance of AI integration.
Assessing organizational readiness. Current technology infrastructure. Employee skill sets. Cultural readiness for change.
Identifying AI integration opportunities, repetitive task automation, data analysis and insights, customer interaction enhancement.
Developing AI training programs. Internal training for employees. External workshops and courses. Pilot projects to gain hands-on experience.
Building a culture of collaboration, encouraging cross-functional teams. Fostering open communication, rewarding innovation and knowledge sharing.
Managing change and resistance. Addressing fears of job displacement. Communicating benefits of AI. Providing support for skill development.
Measuring AI integration success. Key performance indicators. Feedback from employees and customers. Continuous improvement and adaptation.
Monitoring AI implementation and measuring success.
Goals of AI implementation. Define clear objectives. Align with organizational strategy. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs.
Monitoring AI implementation. Regular progress tracking. Real-time data analysis. Identify potential bottlenecks. Evaluate resource utilization.
Measuring success. Quantitative metrics. Accuracy improvements. Efficiency gains. Cost savings. Qualitative metrics. User satisfaction. Impact on decision making. Employee engagement.
Adaptation and improvement. Feedback collection. Iterative updates. Implementation of best practices. Flexibility to changing requirements.
Ethical and legal considerations. Compliance with regulations. Data privacy protection. Ethical use of AI technologies. Transparent decision-making process.
Communication and reporting. Regular status updates. Clear communication of progress. Highlighting successful outcomes. Addressing challenges and next steps.
Conclusion. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries and improve our daily lives, but it's important to address ethical considerations and plan for future developments.
I thank you very much for your time.
अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि हमारी आने वाली वीडियोस के बर वक्त इत्तला आपको मिल सके। आपके वक्त और ताउन का बहुत शुक्रिया।